Hello friends! If you are looking for the best new Victorinox watches, you are in the right place. All the watches product buying links are given in the video description. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and press the bell icon for my new videos notification. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section. Number 9. Victorinox Swiss Army Men's Airboss Mechanical Mach 9. Display type analog. Push-button deployment clasp. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 45 mm. Case thickness 14.6 mm. Band material leather. Band size 8 inches. Band width 22 mm. Band color brown. Dial color black. Bezel material stainless steel. Bezel function slide rule. Calendar date. Special features chronograph date, hour, minute, second. Item weight 15.84 ounces. Number 8. Victorinox Swiss Army Men's I.N.O.X 22, model 241743.1. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Buckle clasp. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 45 mm. Case thickness 14.44 mm. Number 7. Victorinox Swiss Army Men's I.N.O.X watch. Durable, accurate, and affordable everyday watch. Fit and finish is great, and the quartz movement is very accurate. The clasp takes a little getting used to, but is very secure. The dial is clean, detailed, and very easy to read. The loom is fairly decent as well. Thick crown guard is a nice touch, and the screw-down crown is easy to manipulate and use. Item shape round. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Buckle clasp. Case material titanium. Case diameter 43 mm. Case thickness 13.58 mm. Band material leather. Band size men's standard. Band width 21 mm. Band color brown. Dial color black. Bezel material titanium. Bezel function stationary. Calendar date. Special features luminous second hand. Movement Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth 660 feet. Number 6. Victorinox Men's Fieldforce Black, model 241847. Item shape round. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Buckle clasp. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 42 mm. Case thickness 10 mm. Band material leather. Number 5. Victorinox Swiss Army Men's I.N.O.X Pro Diver Watch. Water resistant depth 660 feet. Item shape round. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Hook buckle clasp. Case material titanium. Case diameter 45 mm. Case thickness 14.44 mm. Band material nylon. Number 4. Victorinox Swiss Army Night Vision. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Double locking fold over clasp. Case material titanium. Case diameter 42 mm. Case thickness 13.25 mm. Band material stainless steel. Band size men's standard. Band width 21 mm. Band color black. Dial color black. Bezel material stainless steel. Bezel function stationary. Calendar date Number 3. Victorinox Mens 249085 Original XL Swiss Quartz Watch. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, mineral. Display type, analog. Buckle clasp. Case material, plastic. Case diameter, 43 millimeters. Case thickness, 9.85 millimeters. Band material, nylon. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 21 millimeters. Number 2. Victorinox Maverick Men's Watch 241865. Blue dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a brown leather band. Quartz movement. 100 meters, 330 feet water resistance. Unidirectional rotating bezel. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Solid case back. Tang clasp. Pull-push crown. Case size, 43 millimeters by 13 millimeters. Number 1. Victorinox Fieldforce Black Dial Men's Watch 241855. Black dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel band. Quartz movement. 100 meters, 330 feet water resistance. Fixed bezel. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Solid case back. Fold over with push-button release clasp. Case size, 42 millimeters by 12 millimeters. Band, 21 millimeters. Item shape, round. Display type, chronograph. Fold over with push-button release clasp. Band material, stainless steel. Band color, black. Dial color, black. Bezel material, stainless steel with a black aluminum ring. Calendar, date. Special features, chronograph, tachymeter, date, hour, minute. Item weight, 5.43 ounces.